Good afternoon, everyone. This is Corey here with Zero Meter Chasers. It is 12:28 Central Time, 1:28 Eastern. Wanted to jump in and give you guys a quick weather update. I didn't do the intro that I normally do, but I wanted to get in here and give you guys just a quick weather update with some potentially strong to severe storms that we're going to be dealing with that's currently ongoing in parts of Kentucky and that will be ongoing as we progress into the afternoon hours. So right now what you guys are looking at is a severe thunderstorm watch that was issued by the Storm Prediction Center about a couple hours ago. So anybody here in this yellow shaded area is under a severe thunderstorm watch until 5 o'clock Central Time, 6 o'clock Eastern here in the central Kentucky area. Pretty much everybody along and west of I-65, and then we're going to tack on Barron, Metcalfe, Greene, and Monroe counties, along with Nelson, with that severe thunderstorm watch there. So anybody in this yellow watch area will have the potential to see some isolated severe weather. Mainly some damaging wind gust is going to be the primary threat. Not looking at any big time tornado threat or anything like that. However, cannot rule out the possibility of a quick isolated spin up. So real quickly, let's check out the radar here. We'll zoom out. We'll put this radar into motion. You guys can kind of see what's going on. Basically, we see this line of strong thunderstorms moving across central Kentucky, pretty much right along that I-65 corridor. So anybody that is behind this line, anybody in this area right here, your severe weather threat is over for today. Pretty much anybody that is along this line and to the east, that is where we do have a little bit of a severe weather threat. We'll put a pause on this radar here real quickly. So right here is where the line's at. Again, right along that I-65 corridor, this is where the current line of strong thunderstorms is ongoing right now. This line is going to continue to move to the east. So anybody to the east of this line will have the possibility of seeing some strong thunderstorm activity. Again, some isolated severe weather is possible as well. So real quickly, we will zoom in here. We have a couple of strong thunderstorm special weather statements issued by the National Weather Service. And this special weather statement right here, I know this is kind of hard to see, so I'm going to outline this little blue box that the National Weather Service has issued. Now, this is a special weather statement. If you guys have watched me before, basically what these special weather statements are is the National Weather Service is highlighting an area of storm activity that is just below severe limits but strong enough to cause some issues. So this special weather statement here is for northwestern Hart County, eastern Butler, Grayson, northern Warren, southwestern Hardin, and Edmonson counties, and this is going to go until 1:45 Eastern Time, 12:45 Central. Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms in this area. Movement's going to be east at 45 miles an hour. The main threat inside this little black box here that I have highlighted is wind gust up to 40 miles an hour. Now, a severe thunderstorm warning is winds greater than 58 miles an hour, so this is just below severe limits. But wind gust up to 40 miles an hour in this area, so some of those gusty winds could knock down some tree limbs, blow around some unsecured objects. We're obviously seeing a lot of wind gust out and about here in central Kentucky today. But when this line moves through, we're going to see a little bit of an enhanced risk for those wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour here. So if you're in Bowling Green, Litchfield, Brownsville, Plum Springs, Lee, Clarkson, Caneyville, Oakland, Woodbury, and Gherkin, these are a couple of the communities impacted here inside this box. And again, that severe thunderstorm warning or severe thunderstorm watch does remain in effect until 6 o'clock Eastern, 5 o'clock Central. So if you're outdoors, if you're out and about riding, I know it's been warm this afternoon. A lot of people outdoors doing different activities. You might want to go inside as this line progresses to the east. So we zoom out just a little bit here. We'll get rid of this box that I drew. Still dealing with some strong thunderstorm activity up here in the Elizabethtown area. This has not been highlighted by the National Weather Service, but I'll highlight it myself. A lot of strong thunderstorm activity ongoing here just to the east of E-Town, or just to the west of E-Town. Your Cecilia, over to St. John, up to Rineyville, Vine Grove. Areas just to the west of that. Strong thunderstorm activity ongoing, probably around the same thing, 35, 40 mile an hour gusts, brief heavy rain, even some lightning mixed in there as well. This is going to be moving to the east. Again, Cecilia, St. John, Rineyville, Vine Grove, Radcliffe going to be impacted with this area of thunderstorm activity. Elizabethtown will obviously be impacted with that as well here over the next little bit. We'll put that radar into motion. You kind of see how this line here is progressing. So that little area there that's just to the west of E-Town is going to continue to move off to the east. This will probably impact Bardstown as well here over the next, say, 30 minutes or so. But we'll do a quick zoom out. Don't really see anything else that's real concerning here on the radar. Again, strong thunderstorms ongoing basically from Bowling Green all the way up to E-Town. We'll go a little bit farther to the south down here. Same thing. We still have some strong thunderstorm activity ongoing down here in the Logan County area, and the National Weather Service does have a special weather statement on that as well. Let's see here. Let's see if I can get that one pulled up. No, it has expired. So that has expired. Still some strong thunderstorm activity ongoing there just to the west of Russellville. That's going to continue to move off to the east as well. So the Auburn area, the Woodburn areas there in the southern part of Warren County will be impacted with this probably within the next 30 minutes as well. Again, probably around the same thing, some strong winds, 35, 40 miles an hour, brief heavy rain, maybe some small hail mixed in. That's pretty much all we're going to be dealing with today. Again, not dealing with a major severe weather threat or anything like that. Again, the Storm Prediction Center or the National Weather Service did issue that severe thunderstorm watch. I'll show it to you guys one more time. For the majority of central Kentucky and a lot of middle Tennessee there. And that's basically probably just for precautionary. Some of these storms moving in was showing a little bit of strengthening. The environment we have today is conductive of at least a few isolated severe thunderstorms. So this is more of a precautionary thing than over anything. A lot of this will be allowed to expire once this line moves through the area. So pretty much anywhere that is to the west of this line, severe weather threat is over. However, we're going to be dealing with a very rainy afternoon. You guys can see the radar here. A lot of rain is going to be moving in behind this line. So once this line moves through, we're going to see rain for the remainder of the afternoon. We'll keep an eye on things as this line progresses, but not really seeing anything that's going to be real conductive of anything majorly severe or anything like that. Again, strong thunderstorms, wind gusts 35, 40 miles an hour, from small hail, brief heavy rain. Possibility that some of these storms might go severe. Very isolated threat. Tornado threat is going to be very low, okay? So, again, I just wanted to hop in, give you guys a quick update for what's going on for the remainder of the evening. We'll keep an eye on things. If there's anything that needs to be broadcast to you guys, obviously we'll take